Today we have a very special guest with us, Prayagraj ji Hule.
See, you must understand what is the meaning of youth. Youth means it's a bomb of energy.
Are you listening, children? You are all going to grow into powerful children. That sooner or later you all are going to be accomplished individuals. So when you have power, always try and help others. Now what makes you powerful? From darkness to light. Any other word you can think of? Knowing is one thing, but what comes before knowing? Any other word? Who said that? Excellent. Are you a mathematician? Excellent. Awareness.
Ask all the husbands and they're all quiet. See, all the ladies are laughing, all the husbands are quiet. Complexes and complexes and complexes. A leader doesn't have any complexes. Why?
Bhagavad Gita says, Yad yada charati shreshtaha tatta deve tarojanah. A leader is one who leads the way. If the leader is stressed, everybody will be stressed.
Namaste Prayagraj ji. What is the Vedanta philosophy?
So Vedanta, it gives you the introduction of yourself to yourself. The world gives you an introduction of various subjects. But Vedanta tells you who a human being is, what is the role of the human being, and where the human being should ultimately go.
And what are the techniques?
Vedanta also has to be approached in a structured manner. So how this can help you is that it can make you happy, it can make you peaceful, it can make you dynamic. You will understand, what will make you different is, you will understand where the genesis of stress is coming from.
The way forward. We're here to analyze in the next 45 minutes to an hour. Yoga and beyond.
Like someone said, yoga is for happiness. Now, are we in that state of happiness? I need to question myself. You need to question yourself. And if you don't understand, we have to interact with ourselves to find out. Are we in that state of happiness?
Anything I can do, I'm here for. Thank you very much.
Thank you.